Monster Shop creepy tutorials.
Hey guys, welcome back to the Monster Shop. My name is Bob and I got a special treat for you today. We have a Rising Reaper here that I picked up and we're going to try to look at it to see what's going on with it. It's a really cool prop. I tried looking online and I didn't really see that much information on it. I know Spirit put it out, but I don't know if it's a Rising Reaper, Rising Phantom. There's so many different types of these props here, so all I know is it's really cool. If you guys know what it is, drop a comment in the comment section. I'd like to hear, because I have no clue what the hell it is. So we're gonna try to take a look at it very shortly and try to do a quick fix on it, I guess. So first things first, before we start the video, I really want to thank all the new subscribers and welcome you to the channel. It's been great doing these videos. I like doing them. It's really fun to me. I love Halloween, and I'm hoping that you guys get to share the same amount of fun that I have making these videos and watching them on your end. But yeah, I just want to say hey to all the new subscribers, and please get the word out. Please make sure your friends know Halloween is upon us. It's it's the beginning of the summer. That means that we all start building props and getting stuff ready. We get our ideas of what we want to decorate our houses with, or the type of props we want to build for the Halloween season. So I'm going to be starting to make some videos on our theme that we're doing this year for our home haunt. I don't want to say what it is yet, but I think it's going to be pretty cool. Hopefully I'll be able to make some videos of the progress of all the different props that we have to make for our haunted house this year. So I'm going to keep you guys in the loop of what we're doing, some status updates and here and there as we go. And I think maybe at the end I will record a whole big video of our home haunt so you guys can check it out for yourselves. But you'll be able to see the progress that grows into making a home haunt throughout the summer when we start building everything. So I want to get these videos out really quick because I don't know if they're going to come into into my home haunt somehow. But this guy is really cool. I can't find any that are this bluish gray color and white online. I can only find the red and black ones. So if you have any information on this, I'd love to hear it. Please drop a line in the comments and I'll definitely get back to you. Please subscribe and like to the channel if you're new to this channel visiting. It really means a lot to build our audience and make sure to hit that bell so you get all the notifications when new videos drop. And without further ado, I think we're ready to rip this thing apart and take a look. As you can tell, I'm about 5'8" in real life, so I'd say 5 feet or so, if that, maybe even less. Crouching down, this is all the way down. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn it on and then we're going to take a look at it, and then that way you can see what it does. Like when it comes up in the air, you can hear the noise of basically it's like a string on a wheel, like a kind of a little bit of like a twine on a reel that pulls it up and it slides on poles. But you could hear it. You could hear how loud it is. And then when it comes down, you will see it jitters. You can see it like shakes and stuff. So take a look, and we'll go from there. And then I'll take it apart and we'll take a look. Let me go turn it on for you. There we go. All right, everybody, now that we have the clothes off, I just want to give you a quick run through of some of the parts here. This part here is where the head extends from. These here control the arm movements and so forth. There's a sensor wire here. This is the motor. This is what is making a lot of noise here. And if you look over here, you can see the wheel with the little string that is what is used to have this guy travel up and down, from this rod. So what I'm gonna do here, here's a point here. It is loose, but I'm gonna put some lubricant on there. And these are the spots here that I think is what's causing, and this side here is what's causing the jittering to happen. So we're gonna get some lubricant there and, get that fixed. So I'm gonna turn it on really quick just so you can see what it's doing. You can hear the noise coming from the motor. But as of here, you can see it jittering already. I think it just needs some lubrication on these rods. You can see where it's rubbing here. I don't know what we're gonna do to maybe see what it does. If I can put something to cover the sound. Ooh, if I put my finger on that, maybe I can just lubricate that wheel somehow. I'll try it and see. I'll try it. Worth a shot. All right, so what I'm gonna do here is I was looking online to find something that's safe for plastic as far as a lubricant. You know, I'm very cautious of like ruining these props because you can't really get them anymore. They're discontinued or just they don't make them anymore. So what I decided to do is I got this lubricant. It's actually created, oops, grab it now. Whoops. Okay, so what I did here is I actually found this lubricant here. It's a pool company. It's Jack's Formula Multi-Lube. As you can tell on here, it says it's safe for O-rings, gaskets, seals, and valves. I figured since it's, you know, pools, you know, you really don't want any type of like oils or anything like that in pools. And this is made for, you know, O-rings and, you know, other things like that. I think this should be a safe guess, and it should be slippery enough. So I'm gonna give this a shot. I got in the back there, I got some paper towels and Q-tips, and I'm gonna try to lubricate these rods here as best I can. All right, so everything is all basically lubed up. We're gonna run it through really quick just to take a look at it. Okay, we'll check it out when it goes down. I don't think there's anything that we can do for this motor sound. I think just it is how it is. It is what it is, pretty much. I don't think, maybe there was a cover here. There's something here that may have been covered here originally to block it. I don't know, but the sound is the sound. But one good thing is the jittering is gone, pretty much. So I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna put it back together and take a look at it and see what it goes. All right, everybody, looks like it's all back together. We're gonna go plug it in, see if it fixed the jitteriness. Like I mentioned before, I don't think there's anything we could do about the sound of the motor. It's just what it is. So let's plug her in. It's actually plugged in now. I'm gonna turn it on for you. Okay. And there you have it. The jitter's gone. We're done. This thing can be put away for another couple of months until Halloween time. Thank you guys very much for checking out this video. I hope you liked it. I tried to do it as quick as possible because this was a quick fix and I tend to blabber a lot, so I wanted to make a quick video. So thanks again. One thing I do want to say is don't forget to go to cousin808designs.com. I'll put the site address below if you guys want to support the channel and get yourself a Monster Shop t-shirt. You can get it there. There's a 10% off code. Monster Shop is the code. So thank you very much for supporting me. Thank you very much to the new subscribers. Please spread the words. Get the Monster Shop up there. Halloween's right around the corner. I'd love to get a huge subscriber list and a huge following for Halloween. We'd have so much fun. You're going to see a lot more videos coming up. We have a lot of stuff planned for our home hunt this year. Building time for us. So we're starting right now with talks and everything like that. All right, everybody, that's it. I will talk to you later. Happy haunting.